Empango Run neja kubaho ahabiro mushanju eby'okwezi kwa mukaga wakwitebekanisiza emikoro eyo kujaguza emyaka 31 eyo mukama Dr. Solomon Gafabusa Iguru okubanza okurugirira hari muhikirwa obukama obwabunyoro nagira ngu omukama akabaragira okugira ngu sente ezibaragume bayiha omukwiruka okuba kwa batebekanise babase kushagika eshonga z'ebyamagara
abakikube hospital omurundo gwagarukireho twaguma okuhoye twagure bitabu ebya Kibale hospital amusabone mwekaguza abakika kumira hospital talimu umwaka okuhoye tukadriba okusagika kakumira hospital health center 4 kyoka wetinisa prime minister yatugamba webya akakomereja kubikoraho eketu kimulekere tugende handi nawo muterero mungabo omwaka kuno murundo gwo mwenda obusagiki bugenda hali primary Ambaro hospital
agira ngu obwa hati ezo mwaka ogwo nizija kweraho ahakugure choma ekiri kumanywa nka colonoscopy machine ahirware rikuru eria Hoima
kandi cyuma makikurire baketa colposcope icyuma cyo kikebera ekokoro rundi kansa kira muno ombakazi kandi tubabalize na Hoima Referral Hospital batugamba kandi kikuru muno omukebera oburwaire bw'ekokoro.
Boaz Wasigirenda Range Manager owa National Forestry Authority ori kujananizibwa ekibira ekya Budongo baraganisa okushagika ehureji.
National Forest Authority has sent me to express its sincere appreciation for these preparations, and NFA will be represented on this run. Last year it was represented. NFA will again be represented on the main event, and as such, NFA is going to contribute 5 million to the function.
Byebukiria hoji mwine ori kudomera polisi omuchanga yaraganisa nkunija kureba ngo hebyo kwirina nabyo abitwekine umukoro wo kugabana kugenda omisho.
And even this year, for us as security, we pledge our contribution to support you and work with you so that we have successful Empango activities. We shall secure Empango Run, then also the lead day. We shall be available as security organs.
We actually benefit in this event in sources of revenue, in getting revenue through our service providers. So we actually compel the hotel managers, restaurants, guest houses to prepare their areas very well because of the visitors who come around. Even us who are here, you may tend to sleep out and you don't go home.
Yorokitara Kingdom ahabiri 11 by'okwezi kwa mukaga omwaka ogwo niwija kwani bajaguza emyaka 31 eyo mukama wa Bunyoro Dr. Solomon Gafabusa Iguru okubanza yasya omuntebe amakara gagasha kwa gada saba ahawatayaruwe.